Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Sharita and the name of my channel is Unique by Sharita. Welcome. So in today's video, we'll be decorating our Christmas tree in our main living area. Yes, we are using burnt orange, gold, and ivory to achieve our look this Christmas 2021. And if you haven't seen the video of my front entrance, I will put a link in the iCard as well as the description. So I'm just jumping right in. We will not be using any ribbon on this Christmas tree this year. We're going to start with the larger ornaments. A lot of the time I like to start with my ribbon and then I'll go to my larger ornaments. In this case, since we're not using any ribbon, I'm going to start with my larger ornaments and then we'll go with our other fillers. And then the last portion of decorating the tree will be the accent, the colors that you really want to stand out. So I'm just going to proceed on. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the description. So the gold ornaments you see me adding now, all of these are part of what I call my gold Christmas capsule. They're part of all of the Christmas ornaments I've collected or purchased throughout the years. I've gotten them maybe from yard sales, Home Goods, Hobby Lobby, Target, Lowe's, Home Depot, just anywhere that I saw a gold ornament that I absolutely had to have. So every year when I put my Christmas decor up, I store my ornaments and decor in storage boxes according to color. So when I do choose what color I plan to use in the beginning of the Christmas season, I'm able to just pull out the colors according to the storage boxes. And this year, of course, I chose gold, cream, and orange. So I purchased the orange at the end of the season and the gold and cream I already had. So I pulled down 2 gold boxes, 1 cream box, and of course the new color, which is the burnt orange. And they were already in the storage boxes with the pipe cleaners already installed. I just had to add them to these beautiful burnt orange ones. So I did them individually because I wasn't sure if I were going to hang one ornament or cluster them together. So as you can see, I decided to cluster them together and hang them in a natural flowing effect. So you'll see me go around the tree in a wave pattern, from the top going around and back down in a natural flowing pattern with my pop of color. I have some ornaments I need to add the pipe cleaner to, so I'm just going to cut them down to thirds. So I should be able to get 3 hangers out of 1 pipe cleaner. And these beautiful white ones, I did the same method I did on the orange one, which was adding that beautiful gold leaf to them to create just a beautiful ornament. And you'll see me share a picture of that later on in the video. And now I'm just going to add these beautiful gold sprays. This is a great way to add a little more texture to your tree. And I purchased these last year and I used them in my tree last year. I got them from a Christmas decor store in Arkansas. I believe it's called the Guest Company. It opens once a year for the Christmas season. Now it's time to add these beautiful little crowns that I purchased from the at-home store. And that is my theme for this year, Crowned Glory. So I'll just go through the tree adding these little crowns. And I also picked up some more little crowns along the way. So I'll be adding those to the tree as well. So it's the next day and I'm going to add these cream and gold wavy ornaments throughout the tree. I already had them, and the main attraction is the tree topper. So I have 3 crowns that I'll be placing on the top of the tree. I'll be securing them in place with the pipe cleaners. The tree topper is my favorite part of the tree. This is where your imagination can really take over. You can get creative. We've done the stars, the angels, the hats on the top of the tree. Let's do some crowns. Let's put a little explosion at the top. And that's what I'm doing here. Now let's add the explosion, as my husband calls it. These beautiful little picks, we're just going to go in a circular pattern around the very top of the tree to create an explosion. right, so here's my beautiful finished tree. I'm just going to make a few adjustments, step back and look at it, and then we're done. I'll briefly show you some of the ornaments I have on the tree this year. These I already had. This is a new purchase. This is also a new purchase. This is a new purchase. This one is from last year. This is a last year purchase with gold foil. Last year purchase with gold foil. These I've already had. I've already had these. And I already had these. As well as these from years ago. And these clusters I've already had. This is a new purchase. This is a new purchase from the at-home store. And I'm just going to add it to the tree. And I absolutely love my tree collar. I prefer to put tree collars on slim or pencil trees, but I opted to go with a little bit different style this year since I have a shorter tree. So I'll share the link to where I purchased this from in the description. All right, everyone, we are coming to the end of this video. Thank you all for watching my videos. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. If you haven't already subscribed and you like these types of videos, please hit the subscribe button, turn your notification on so you'll be notified when I post videos. And if you haven't seen the video of my entryway, I'll leave a link in the description for you to see that video, and be on the lookout for the upcoming video for the finished look for this space. As you know, I do have an open floor plan, so I'll be joining this room into the entryway as well as the dining room. So thanks again for watching. Happy holidays.